Hello, dear friends. This is R.Rajkumar from CRSK Tech Java. In last session, we had seen how to install JBoss application server. So we have installed successfully that JBoss application server, the 4.0 version. So now we will see how to integrate JBoss application server with the MyEclipse IDE. So first, you must install JBoss application server in your system. Then you have to install MyEclipse IDE in your system. Then how to integrate JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE. So that we will see today. Okay. So in last session, I showed how to install JBoss application server, and also one video I uploaded for how to install MyEclipse IDE in your system without any mistake. So first you have to install JBoss application server. Then you have to install MyEclipse IDE. So the last session I showed how to install JBoss application server, and one video I uploaded for how to install MyEclipse software. So both you watch first, then after install MyEclipse IDE, then after install JBoss application server successfully, then we will see how to integrate JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE. Okay, so already I have installed the JBoss application server. I have installed MyEclipse IDE in my system. That video I uploaded, you watch that, you watch those videos before going to see this session, this video. Okay, so now I will see how to I will show how to integrate JBoss application server with the MyEclipse IDE. Just click on start button, click on all programs, then click on MyEclipse folder, and so click on start button, go to all programs, then click on MyEclipse, then start MyEclipse. Okay, already I have installed MyEclipse 10.7. just click on that. So start MyEclipse IDE. So now we will see how to integrate JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE. So last workspace location where you want to save your project. So the workspace location you must give. So I given already workspace location E drive, under E drive CRSK folder, under CRSK folder. So I want to store all my projects. So the workspace path, workspace location I given this one. Okay, if you want to change, you can change. Click on OK button. So now MyEclipse IDE has opened successfully. So now we will see how to integrate JBoss application server with the MyEclipse IDE. JBoss 4.0. Okay, so now we are going to integrate JBoss 4.0 application server with the MyEclipse IDE. 4.0 is a version. So here you can see that so window menu, click on window menu. Then after click on window menu, you can see preference menu item. Click on preference menu item. So under that preference menu, after click on preference menu item, new window will open. In that window you can see MyEclipse. Okay, MyEclipse option. Understand? So I will show again once. Click on window menu. Then after click on window menu, you click on preference window. After click on preference window, then click on MyEclipse, expand MyEclipse option. Then you can see the server here. Then expand the server. Then under the server you can see JBoss. Okay, now we are going to integrate JBoss application server with MyEclipse. So you have to expand JBoss. Click expand. And which version we have installed? I have installed JBoss 4.0. So you have to select JBoss 4.x. Click on that. See. So the JBoss 4.x, the window has opened in the right side. So you have to configure, you have to provide all the information. So there are two radio button, enable, disable. So click on enable radio button. Okay. Then after that, JBoss home directory. So where you have installed JBoss application server in your computer, that location you have to browse, the home directory you have to browse. Click on that. So I have installed in G drive. Click on computer, then click on G drive, Java Pro projects, G drive. Click on G drive. Under G drive you can search where I have installed JBoss. See, JBoss 4.0.5.ga. So this is the JBoss installation location. I have installed here. So you select this home directory. Then click OK button. See, this is a home directory, JBoss home directory. In this location only I have installed JBoss 4.0 application server. So you have to browse that. Then server name you can give any name. So I will give CRSK Tech. Okay, then okay, no need to change anything. Then click on apply button. So after click on apply button, then come to here in JBoss 4.x, expand the JBoss 4.x. You can see JDK, click on JDK. Under JBoss 4.x, you can see the JDK, click on JDK. Here you can browse that JDK 1.4. If 1.4 is not there, you can click on add button, you can browse that. If it is show in the list, if it is show the JDK 1.4, then you select it. If it is not show, click on add button. Then JRE home is there, click on directory button. Then you have to browse that JDK 1.4. You no need to browse from C directory because you have installed the JBoss server. The JBoss application server, it's providing that JDK 1.4. Means in the installation location you can find that the JDK 1.4 directory that you have to browse. Okay, so click on my computer. Then where you have installed the JBoss server, in G drive. So under G drive, go to JBoss installation directory, home directory. Where this is JBoss 4.0.5. This is installation directory. Expand. Here you can see that JDK bin directory or library. There. Expand the server, config deploy JBoss. Click on this, go to my computer, G drive. So under G drive you can find that JBoss location, and here it's not showing that JDK. Select B, not showing. Or what you do, cancel this. Whatever it's showing JDK 1.6 it's showing, you select as save. Whatever it's showing for JBoss 4.x it's showing by default is on JDK 1.6, you select that and click on apply button. So after apply button, okay, then click on launch. Under JBoss 4.x you can see the launch. Click on launch, then select run mode. Select on there are two radio buttons. Select run mode, then click apply, then click OK. So after click OK, the preference window will disappear. Okay, now we have configured JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE successfully. So you click file. Now you can create whatever project you want to create. You can create, then you can deploy that to server. You can run that application. I want to create web project. So click on web project. Simply I will give CRSK Tech 1. So click finish. So now we have created a we have integrated a JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE successfully. So then you can create any project, any web project or enterprise sub project or distributed application or enterprise application or web project, anything you can create. Then you can run your application with the JBoss using JBoss application server. So that we will see later. Okay, now so we had seen now so I showed how to integrate JBoss application server with the MyEclipse IDE. Okay, so this is a way to how to integrate JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE. So you first integrate. After that you create any project, then you can run that project using that Eclipse. You can run that project or any application you can run using that JBoss application server. Okay. So I think this video is helpful to you. You watch carefully and integrate JBoss application server with MyEclipse IDE. Then you can create any application in MyEclipse IDE. Then you can run that application using the JBoss application server. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you drop a mail. So I will, as much as possible, I will help you. So okay, first you have to install the JBoss application server. then you install MyEclipse IDE, then you follow that instruction. This video you watch carefully how to integrate JBoss Application Server with MyEclipse IDE. This is a way how to integrate a JBoss server with MyEclipse IDE. Then you can create any application. You can run that application using that JBoss server in MyEclipse IDE. So thank you for watching. Share this video and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, any video if you want, you drop a mail, so I will do it for you. So thank you for watching.